Oh, you scared me.
Did you ever get your USB working?
Yes, I did, as a matter of fact. Since you asked, yeah, it's been working great. I haven't had a problem in, what, 2 weeks?
Wow, that's good.
Haven't had to restart my system, and it's like a miracle.
Look at you go.
So, funny you ask, because I was just about to make a video about that.
Okay.
Do you want to be in it?
No.
Oh, come on.
No.
People will miss you.
No.
All right. We'll give you a pass this time.
Okay.
All right, thanks. Love you. Oh, hey there. Welcome back to the channel. You can see I've got my computer open. So this is a follow-up video to the USB disconnection issue that we posted. And it seems that a lot of you have had that problem because we've had some interest. But it's been, I haven't been counting exactly, it's been at least 2 weeks, going on 3. And we haven't had any issues. Okay, I take that back. The second day, I had 1 issue. But since then, nothing. So this is good enough for me. I'm going to call this a success. And I think when I posted that video, I told you that you wouldn't hear back from me if everything worked okay. But today we're making one little modification, and so I thought I'd do a follow-up video anyway. So I have here in my hand a new USB expansion card. Why do you need a new one, you might ask? Well, here's the deal. I had a backup hard drive crash the other day. Wasted 2 days trying to repair it. Couldn't be done. So I have a new hard drive coming. I thought, well, while I'm at it, maybe it's time to upgrade our technology. So I've been using external hard drive enclosures for my backups. And, well, they've worked fine. But when I had this problem, I thought, I wonder if this is being caused by my enclosure. I custom build my own because the ones you buy off the shelf are not the fastest or the most reliable hard drives. And so I buy the enclosures, name brand, I buy the drives separately, and I configure them how I need them. And that's worked fine, but I decided to upgrade. I found a new technology, an enclosure that will hold all 4 drives. No, I'm not jumping to RAID or NAS yet. It's on the list. I used to build those for work, but on my own budget, I haven't sprung for that yet. Hasn't been a need. So anyway, short version of the story is when I put in that expansion card, they were all USB-A ports. That's all I needed. I don't have anything that uses USB-C. Ha! Little did I know, this new hard drive enclosure that holds 4 hard disk drives, or SSDs, it uses 1 USB-C cable. It has a proprietary built-in circuit board that basically channels those drives so that you can see all of them individually on your screen. They operate as individual drives, but it uses 1 USB-C cable rated for 10 gigabytes per second. So I had to buy a card with a USB-C port. And the reason I'm posting this, I'm not going to show you how to install it because you've already seen that. In fact, if you haven't seen that video, it's right up here. Here's the link. Go back and watch it. It's kind of fun. But so this new one, I've got 2 A ports and 3 USB-C ports. I did quite a bit of research to find a card that would split up the bandwidth. So a lot of the cards, if they're rated for 10 gigabits, it's all shared between those ports. Now granted, my backup drives aren't running all at the same time. I have 4 of them, but they run at different times of the morning or the middle of the night. So that's not really an issue, but I want to plan for something extreme. So I have 1 USB-C port, this one on the bottom. It's a dedicated port, and it has the capability, let's put it that way, because you and I both know our hard disk drives won't transfer that fast anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But I wanted the capability. So I have a dedicated 10 gigabytes per second port right here. And then these other 4 ports share another 10 gigabytes. I can't even say that word. This card's capable of transferring 20 gigabytes per second. Not that anything I have will do that, but it's good to know I have the technology. So I'm going to put the link in the description of this card along with the older card that I'm leaving the older card in because I have an even older card. I have 2 USB expansion cards, and I'm going to take the very older one out and we'll replace that with this one. So just a short video, just wanted to update you. I know I said when I posted that video before that if you didn't hear from me, you knew everything was working great. Well, everything is working great, but thought might as well post a follow-up since we're adding this card. So thanks for tuning in, and I hope to see you back again.